folks, this is Eric Hall from Provisions Wealth Planners with an educational and economic update for May of 2019. In this month's video, I'll discuss some of the major headlines that influenced markets in April. I will also provide insight into what these developments could mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. April was another positive month for the markets. All three of the major domestic indices posted gains. The Dow Jones Industrials added 2.6%, the NASDAQ was up 4.9%, and the S&P 500 increased 3.9% and wrapped up its best 4 months of performance in almost 9 years. So what happened last month? We received stronger data updates than many people anticipated, especially for economic growth and corporate earnings. For example, the latest reading for gross domestic product indicated that the economy grew by 3.2% in the first quarter. Economists predicted growth that was closer to 2.5%. Instead, the initial reading was the best first quarter result since 2015, and the first time since then that growth exceeded 3% between January and March. Corporate earnings have also been surprisingly strong so far. When earnings season started, many investors were preparing to weather some choppy results. For months, experts discussed how the effect from 2018's tax cuts would no longer help drive corporate profit. As a result, earnings would disappoint starting in the first quarter of 2019. By the last full week of April, however, the initial earnings results were telling a different story. FactSet Research reported that almost half of the S&P 500 had shared their reports, and 77% beat their own earnings estimates. Of course, we still have many reports to receive, so no one can say yet how this earnings season will end. As of April 26th, FactSet was still projecting year-over-year decline for corporate earnings. Credit Suisse, on the other hand, forecasted an increase of as much as 3%. Either way, the initial results seem to indicate that first quarter corporate earnings are better than many people expected. Stocks responded to these results by climbing even higher. In the last full week of April, both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ Composite reached new record highs, and all three major indexes have experienced double-digit gains for the year. The markets have come far since the decline we experienced late in 2018, and this month we'll see where they're headed. From earnings season to the Federal Reserve meeting and beyond, we have a lot to analyze. And as always, if you have questions, we are happy to chat. That's it for this month's educational and economic update. Once again, this is Eric Hall with Provisions Wealth Planners signing off for the month of May 2019. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 920-731-9293. We'd be happy to speak with you.